Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have Richmond Manufacturing Index, which is medium impact at 2 p.m. And we also have FOMC meeting minutes at 6 p.m. So we will see what the meeting is going to be, how the meeting is going to be. Right, so let's go back to the chart. And yesterday, I was expecting to see a breakout either to the downside or to the upside. And of course, we saw a breakout to the downside, but there was no pullback for us to sell. And when the market reached here, I was actually expecting to see a spike to the 80 to 77 level, but it didn't really. It respected the support. It pushed, and I said I'm waiting for H1 candle to close above these two H1 rejection candles. Yes, we had the breakout. We had a candle closed. Then we entered for a buy, but we were stopped out, right? Before the market pushing in our direction. Yes, it happens. So yesterday we lost, but it doesn't mean that is all. So let's go back to daily time frame and see what is happening. Now, if you see daily time frame, you can see daily is creating some kind of an evening star, but this evening star is sitting on a support zone, right? It's sitting on a support. Is it going to hold or is it going to break? So if you ask me today, these are the level areas I will be observing. Okay, I'll be observing these areas today to see what is going to happen. Yeah. So three zones I'll mark for today. The rest, I will just wait. Now, H4. So if you look at H4, you can see clearly H4 has this. So let me push this one even to this area right here. All right, so what we are going to do is simple. We have to wait for H4 breakout, then we sell all the way to the downside. All right, we wait for the breakout, then we sell, or we wait for H4 bullish candle, close below above 3300, then we buy. All right. So these are the only things we are going to consider today. A breakout to the downside, then we look for more sells, or H4 bullish candle, not H1. Why am I saying not H1? It's not H1 because if you go to H1, it is something else, right? So if you come to H1, you see that these are body candles and even evening star, right? So we have to wait for a breakout here, then a retest and sell all the way to the next support, or this is even a demand zone down there, right? So we wait for a breakout, then we can sell all the way to the downside. All right. Until then, you just have to wait. So either we see this, we get a breakout and continue to fly all the way to this level sell, sorry, which is 460 pips. Yeah, so let's watch if we are going to see this happening, or we are going to see H4 bullish candle closing above this area for a buy, right? So these are the two scenarios we are going to focus on today. But there is more potential for the sells than the buys. So each 30-minute chart, if you go to 30 minutes, this is what is happening now. The market's coming back to the same support it restricted yesterday. So once it breaks to the downside, then we wait for a pullback and buy and sell to the downside. All right. No pullback, no entry, no confirmation, no entry. Always take note of this. If it takes you 1 week to get one good trade, you know the rule. You will recover three losses. So just calm yourself. And even this is 1:7, right? 1:7 RR, not even 1:3. So even if you lose three, four trades and you win this particular trade, it can recover all your losses. Yesterday, the sell we were waiting for, if we're able to catch it, that was 1:6 RR. All right. So all we need is patience, and let's watch and see how it's going to end. So either the market breaks and continue on sell all the way here, or we are going to get H4 bullish candle closing above, so we can buy all the way to that end as well. Guys, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the description. If you are watching on TikTok, the link is in the bio. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.